Vertical jump data analysis. Shown here is me both completing and overseeing a vertical jump measured on force plates. The first three graphs here display my two participants' net force of their jump, the duration of the phases of their jumps, and their impulse. I chose to compare a slightly weaker participant, participant 8, and a stronger participant, participant 6, as this gives us a clear comparison between the numerical data of better or worse vertical jumps. As you can see, the net force produced, participant 6 outscores participant 8 easily, producing 680 newtons as opposed to just 486. This suggests that participant 6 perhaps is stronger in the legs and so can produce more force when pushing down through their feet to jump. In terms of duration of phase, participant 6 took less time by 0.095 of a second. This suggests that participant 6 has more experience jumping as their stretch shortened cycle is shorter, allowing them to produce more force in a quicker time. For impulse, participant 6 again scored higher than number 8 with a net impulse of 276 newtons per second compared to 243. This shows that participant 6 is producing more force over a given amount of time than participant 8, which again could be due to stronger leg muscles. In terms of the group mean, both participants regularly outperform the mean. However, participant 6 is usually further ahead of the group mean than participant 8. Next, I compared the participants' mean velocity, power produced, and acceleration. For the participants' mean velocity, interestingly, participant 8 travelled at 3.5 meters per second, as opposed to participant 6's 3.4 meters per second. This goes against what we'd expect given the two participants' ability and other results. It is possible that this is an anomalous result or a mistaken calculation. Participant 6 far outperformed participant 8 in terms of power output though, producing 2,329.75 watts compared to just 1,712.34. This goes back to the original pattern, again providing evidence for participant 6's greater leg strength and jumping ability. In terms of acceleration, participant 6 accelerated at 8.45 meters per second, whereas participant 6 accelerated at just 7.05 meters per second. This is due to participant 6's greater mass, which gave them greater momentum after takeoff. Both participants outperformed the group mean again with these sets of data, but again participant 6 was further ahead than 8. Lastly, I compared the participants' time in the air and jump height. For time in air, participant 6 was off the ground for 0.63 seconds, whereas participant 8 was in the air for just 0.52 seconds. This supports the general pattern of the two athletes' data. The average for this data was 0.51 seconds, meaning participant 6 was easily better than the average, whereas participant 8 was just above. In terms of jump height, the ultimate aim of a vertical jump, participant 6 jumped 0.49 centimeters compared to participant 8's 0.33. The group mean for this score was 0.32, showing the same patterns as the time in the air. Participant 6 has consistently outperformed both the group mean and participant 8 with their vertical jump numerical data.